Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off automatic replies in your Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to turn off Microsoft Outlook automatic replies anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to go into meetings or you're not going to be able to respond to emails, so you can turn on automatic replies, but when you come back, sometimes you forget to turn it off and your customers are receiving those automatic replies still. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook and this is the home screen. Now, in order to turn off automatic replies, you need to click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a menu here on the left and you want to click on account. Once you click on account, you'll see another menu here and you want to click on automatic replies. Okay, so once you click in there, if you have automatic replies on, it's going to be blue right here, this button. So in order to turn it off, all you do is just click this button and it should turn gray and white. And you want to click on this blue save button here on the bottom right. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now my Microsoft Outlook automatic replies are turned off. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off your automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.